The feeling of buying a car for the family is quite joyous. Previously, cars were considered a status symbol, but now they are more of a necessity, except for luxury cars. However, the idea of a car has always been envious in our society. It is also aspirational. This is the reason most people tend to keep their cars well maintained. It brings a sense of achievement to every earning member of an Indian household. With passing time, cars too have evolved a lot. Newer technologies are brought in, keeping the user's comfort in mind. With more ergonomic designs, the cars are more sleek looking and security equipped as well. For example, there is a latest provision from the Government of India to have 6 airbags in a car. These airbags would definitely help in protecting you from a severe impact in case of accidents. Today, cars are connected with the internet, better known as connected cars. The term connected cars was actually coined by Honda. A connected car is a car that can communicate bi-directionally with other systems outside of the car through LAN connection. This allows the car to share internet access and hence data with other devices both inside and outside the vehicle. Although it may seem like a new technology, its idea started a couple of decades ago. In 1996, General Motors was the first car manufacturing company that brought the connected car features in the market. It specialized in subscription-based communications, in-vehicle security, emergency services, etc. Let's take a look at how it will accomplish this and is considered the future. Connected cars, the future. Safety. Automobile manufacturing companies employ 2 systems in connected vehicles. The first is embedded car technology equipped with a chipset and built-in antenna. The second system is a tethered system. It is equipped with hardware that helps connect the driver's smartphone with his or her car. These systems suggest controlled driving speeds and distances to warn against any threatening condition via feedback. In a premium connected car, there are parking sensors with rear-view mirrors. In some models, other sensors are installed to measure air pressure and notify the driver. Traffic management and vehicle-to-vehicle communication. Most of the modern cars today are equipped with fixed GPS devices. These devices update real-time traffic conditions to the drivers. They do this with the help of Bluetooth or wireless internet. This helps you reach your destination faster and without any congestion. Connected cars are also installed with a vehicle-to-vehicle connectivity technology. This shares important data like traffic movement, road conditions, speed limits, etc. It exchanges real-time data between 2 connected vehicles and ensures safety. Eco-friendly and infotainment equipped. Since a major number of vehicles are running on fuel, the emissions due to it are causing environmental damage. Hence, a connected car provides a great regulation on the consumption of fuel. It gives real-time data of people traveling in your direction waiting for a ride. Therefore, you can offer them a ride to bring down the emission rate as well. Also, several applications are available that offer music to enhance your driving experience. They also offer radio plays, movies, news updates, texts, or WhatsApp notifications. According to studies, there has been a 20% rise in the sales of connected cars. Needless to say, the next generation 5G connectivity will increase its popularity immensely.